We got several questions about starting seeds. Lisa Ann Critchfield asked, I start seeds indoors near a window and with a small grow light. They will sprout but then die. What am I doing wrong?
Well, I mean, it sounds like it may be an overwatering issue. I mean, whenever you grow a plant, a transplant particularly, it's a balance between light and water. So you could overwater something that doesn't have enough light, and it could cause it to get what they call damping off, which is a fungal disease. If they're not getting, if this is not a south-facing window or a west-facing window, which are the two highest light levels in the home, it's very possible that the seedlings are not getting enough light and they're just getting waterlogged by maybe overwatering them too much. But if a supplemental light is used, like an LED light or something, that certainly would improve conditions for sure. But I don't, without seeing what these plants really look like, it sounds like it's a watering issue to me. So I would sort of, I like to just water, let the potting mix sort of get dry to the touch between watering. So just don't keep it saturated constantly. That's not good for seedlings.
Courtney Baumwell says that her indoor sprouts keep falling over. She wonders if an LED light would help.
I think supplemental light would help. It's very possible, even with seedlings like microgreens, they do need a fair amount of natural light. So if they're not getting that in the house, at the windowsill, then the supplemental light would definitely help. Plants will tell you if there's something wrong. I mean, they'll get stretched. They'll kind of turn color, yellowish color, if they're not getting enough light. But normally they kind of stretch out a little bit more than what they normally would because they're trying to seek more light, and they're not getting enough light. So yeah, just kind of pay attention to what the seedlings and plants are showing, and then an LED light helps. I mean, I would think 10 hours a day of light would be fine. 8 to 10 hours a day would be fine.